and stick at least 6 marshmallows in my mouth.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. There's 4. 5. No! Don't get distracted. All them nummy looking marshmallows. 6. Wait. What are we at? Okay, 6. 7.
I just looked at 7 marshmallows in my mouth.
Nice.